Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. And while T-sportline has been setting the pace, setting the trend, raising the bar, every single wrap, one after another, for many Cybertrucks, and knocking it out of the park and creating a whole new trend with our triple black series, breaking the internet multiple times with it. Today, I want to share with you something that's going to take things to a whole new level. Take a look at triple chalk. This is a world's first, and I am super proud to go ahead and share this with you today, step by step. Starting off with the Nuys world famous chalk gray wrap. This is a vinyl wrap film. It's absolutely stunning. And as you can see, we went ahead and wrapped all the stainless steel panels using the Nuys chalk film. But we did not stop there. Once again, let's go ahead and make it a triple threat. Starting off with the front bumper, the four wheel arches, front and rear. The side rocker panels are also known as side skirts. The top of the side mirror caps, the rear bumper. Those plastic textured pieces are now perfectly smoothed out and painted in chalk paint to match the chalk wrap. And of course, to finish it off, you gotta change the wheels, especially when you're going for the triple threat. 24-inch CTM wheels, custom finished, powder coated in chalk to match the lower plastic pieces, which are now chalk, and of course, the wrap itself. How beautiful is this? Truly one of a kind. However, I'm sure there's going to be many of you reaching out to us that may want to go ahead and have this special package. We are proud to share it with you. It is truly special. So what do you think, Cybertruck fans? Do you love this new triple chalk package? Do you prefer the triple black? I want to hear some comments below, but either way, thank you so much as always for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.